after Congressman Leandro Leviste publicly claimed to possess the complete list.
Panoorin si Assistant Ombudsman Miko Clavano na nagsabing si Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste ay nagbigay lamang ng parsyal o hindi kumpletong bahagi ng tinatawag niyang Cabral Files habang buhay pa umano ang yumaong DPWH Yusek Catalina Cabral.
In the supposed Cabral Files, investigators from the Office of the Ombudsman approached him as a matter of prudence and diligence while the former Undersecretary Kathy Cabral was still alive and was actually represented by counsel at the time. During this engagement, Congressman Leviste presented only limited portions of the list, responsive in fairness to specific inquiries. But he did not present the entire set of files he claimed to possess even when asked to do so.
Taliwas ito sa public claim ni Leviste na ipinakita niya ang kabuuan ng mga dokumento sa Office of the Ombudsman.
This will differ from the congressman's public statements suggesting that the full Cabral files had already been shown to or reviewed by the Office of the Ombudsman. At present, the Central Processing Unit or the CPU is now secured, sealed, and under the custody of the Office of the Ombudsman. And the office considers this a critical development as it allows the investigation to proceed on the basis of an original digital piece of evidence. And so now, as an update, the office is preparing to conduct a digital forensic examination of the CPU of the former Yusek.
Matatandaan na sa isang interview, sinabi ni Crying Leandro habang umiiyak na dapat si DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon na lamang ang maglabas ng mga dokumento.
Ayaw nilang lumabas ang mga palat ka. At sila ko ay mga kaibigan ng aking ina. Pero, gusto kasi ng public malaman kung saan nagastos yung 3.5 trillion pesos sa DPWH. At nakakalungkot din na imbes na ilabas, mukhang pinagtatakpan pa. Kaya sana si DPWH naman po at si Sec Vince Dizon ang maglabas nito. At hindi na lang hanapan sa akin na ilabas ko ang mga listang ito para si Sec Vince lang po ang maglabas. Walang question. At anyway, may kopya po ko. Kaya pwede ko pong i-corroborate kung ang inilabas niya ay buo at walang tinanggal na pangalan.